Moving forward is typically the biggest error that the vast majority of dogs make. That's because there's a high reinforcement rate near us. They're looking to escape pressure. There's almost always pressure next to and or behind them, and they want to get away from that. Another reason is our criteria. We're not consistent enough and stringent enough with maintaining our criteria when training. And it can also be a lack of timing. So your timing is a little off, and or the information you're giving your dog is not clear. Yeah. So if the dog gets stuck, you can just ask for down, mark and reinforce it multiple times in a row.
What? Yes!
Then give your offering cue, and the odds increase that your dog will offer a down because you just marked and reinforced it multiple times. The moment I give my signal, my dog does either one of two things. It either stops forward motion, which is correct, or my dog continues moving. Incorrect. One or the other. Okay? Once the dog has already traveled, it's too late. It's all about the timing. The main thing here is I'm not just going to put him into heel position and walk away. I look at my dog and I say to myself, is my dog really ready to go and fully engaged and excited? If he is, then I will continue on, right? So I do that with command discrimination. This is my cue for command discrimination. I do it with my, that's my command discrimination signal. I do it with signals, and I do it with the drop on recall.